guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be creating an updated bill due cheat sheet. So I've been thinking about making one of these for a while. I just never got around to doing it because it was just like whatever. So anyway, I was flipping through my old budget planner, which is this happy planner, and I found my bill due cheat sheet that I created last year. And I know I created this last year because it has a car payment on here, and we paid off the car in December of 2017, so we don't have a car payment. And so that's how I know that this is pretty old. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to make an updated bill due cheat sheet, and I am in an Erin Condren Deluxe monthly for budgeting, so we are actually going to be making one for this. So you could probably grab out any kind of card stock to create one for yourself. I'm just going to use this notes page, which is from the Happy Planner half sheets, and it is pretty thick. I mean, it's not super thick, but it's certainly not like your average piece of paper. It's much thicker than that. And so I'm going to actually use this with some of the budget stickers that I have, and I'm going to use a coil clip connector from the Erin Condren website, and then also this slicer to cut this page, because this is actually larger than this, and I'm going to need to cut off probably like everything above this line is probably what I'm going to cut off, either the top or the bottom. Either way, some of it has to go so that it can kind of fit in here and we can move it month to month. Now, she does have a monthly bills dashboard, and you could totally probably make this work with this, but I don't really want to use this because I want to have something that actually has like paydays, and for, you know, for income for paydays and whatnot, and something for bills, and I just want a cheat sheet for all of that. So that's what we are about to create. So if you have these products, run and get them so you can create this with me. Otherwise, let's get started. Okay, so actually we are going to need to cut off some of the top and some of the side. So I've used a paper trimmer before, but not one that was my own. I picked this up recently. So I think it's going to trim there. So we're actually going to cut off this because that's where we're going to put our little clip. So we're just going to cut this down to size basically. Okay, so we got it as straight as we're going to get it. Let me put it on here because it's not going to focus right unless I do this. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a coil clip. So there are different sizes. These are the 6-inch ones, and then she has, I think, 4-inch ones, and then 8-inch ones. And which size do we want to use? We have every size. Let's actually, I think we want to use the biggest one, so let's probably do that. Okay, I actually can't find the biggest one because I think I gave them away recently to one of my planner friends, but it's fine. So we're just gonna use one of these. This is the 6-inch. Is this 6? Why does, oh yeah, this is, no, this is the 4-inch connector. This is a 4-inch connector. I think the other one's like 6 or 8 or something like that. So just take off the adhesive, and then we're just going to put it on the back, and then we're all obviously like going to decorate this because who would we be if we did not? So we'll just line this up here. Let's do this. Though this is going to bother me if it doesn't line up straight. Let's do it like that. Okay, so I was thinking we could dress this up a little bit, so I'm going to just use this strip here across the top, and that's because this goes with the front of my planner. My planner has this same colorway, so that's why we're using this. And then we're just going to cut off the excess, and we may put it on the back, but let's just go ahead and cut it off for now. Perfect. Yeah, we could probably get away with putting it on the back, but we'll just put it over here for now because we might use it to separate. And then we're just going to put like a flag across the top. Maybe like... maybe this one. And I'm gravitating towards this because this was once my favorite color back in the day. And then I want to put one of the, let me put it back on here so you can see what's going on. Then I want to put one of these budget stickers over top of this. I think that would be super cute. And then I do want to cover up that foil as well. Obviously you don't have to do this, but I am a little on the extra side. Should we cover it up with the little piggy? Yeah, we'll cover it up with the little piggy. There we go. It's a little crooked. Okay. So now we're just gonna write in basically all of the bills and expenses. And I'm actually gonna take this purple one. I know I'm doing a lot, but that's because that's how I live my life. So we're gonna put this down for I don't know if I'm going to do income. How many bills do we have? We only have like 10 bills, so yeah, we'll have enough room. So let's put one of these stickers that I got from Etsy shop iArtisans for, oh no, there's supposed to be an income sticker. Okay, there's supposed to be an income sticker on here because I was going to use bills and income. Okay, so that's what we have going on here. So let's put cable / internet, and we'll probably even write in the amount, and then we'll do rent / water. And then I put this little $sign here because somewhere in between around this time of the month is the electricity bill. But it comes out on random dates, which, I mean, one day I might put that on budget billing, but I don't really care to right now. And then next is gym. And then after that is my husband's student loan. And then after that is going to be mine because I switched up the dates, of course. And then somewhere in between there is when, what's that other bill? Oh, cell phone. And then life insurances. And then the last one is going to be personal trainer. So we do have like other bills that I have been adding in here. Other like subscriptions and whatnot that I've been adding in. And I think I do want to add that. But first I'm going to use one of these pay bill stickers from the Happy Planner. That would be cute. Yeah, we'll just put that like right there. Yeah, that's cute. And then we'll put down our other bills as well. Okay, so we're gonna list all of those other bills that are starting to like emerge, such as, well, not starting to, some of them are already like, you know, a thing. So let's say like car insurance. And we'll put when that's due, and then renter insurance is due. We'll put that down. And then next we have domain and then domain hosting. Those are both yearly expenses. And then screen recorder. Amazon. These are like a lot of the expenses that are starting to pop up. And then the P.O. box. And then a bunch more. So anyway, I just wanted to show y'all how I was getting this started. I'm probably going to be working on it for a long time because that's just how extra I am. So let's just pop it in. Let's just pop that in for, let's just put it in for November, like before November, or in November. In November, that would be cute. Yeah, isn't that cute? Yeah, so this, oh, y'all haven't seen it. My battery's going dead. That's why I'm quitting this video, because both of them are dead, which is atypical. But anyway, this is just my little build do cheat sheet that I am putting together. I've put together, and also like an income sheet, so I'm going to write in all of the different income sources, because it's hard to keep up with all of those every month. So that's what I'm going to put here. I just got to go search for like I got to go search for all of them basically. So I'll have to go through our checking account or whatever. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how you can whip together a sheet like this of your own without having to go to purchase one from anywhere. Again, you can use any kind of like paper that you have lying around. And if you have these, which one of them should have came with your Erin Condren Life Planner, that's what you can use it for. Or of course, you know, if you have purchased some of the other ones that are on the website, or if you have some of the Happy Planner ones, which I'm going to try to find really quickly before this battery dies. Some of these, you can use these as well. Or if you have the note sheet or a half sheet, it's already going to be punched for you, so you're not going to need one of these. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this and kind of just do an updated bill due cheat sheet, since we have way more bills now and they're due on different days and whatnot. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.